Hello, everyone. Here is YiLuProxy's channel. The video shows how to integrate YiLuProxy with MBBrowser to create multiple virtual browsers to manage multiple accounts. First of all, on the Settings tab, set proxy port 1080, port forward 5500-5510. Of course, you can set as you want. Bind address 127.0.0.1. Select other proxy tools in the second and fourth proxy rules. Then click Save. Then double-click a static IP to connect. Next, right-click an IP and select a free port. Again, check all ports information on port forward list. Then click Create New Session on MBBrowser. Enter session name. Select operating system and resolution. Randomly change a user agent. Select SOCKS5 proxy type. Enter 127.0.0.1 and fixed port 1080. Then test proxy successfully. Finally, click Create Session. Then click Open. Then you can see the browser environment's IP is the same as the port 1080 proxy IP. You can double-click a static IP to change the IP. Then refresh the web page. The IP address has changed. Next, create two sessions to connect different proxy ports. Then open them. The two browser environment IPs are the same as their corresponding proxy. You can also change IP by using the same proxy port. Then refresh web pages to check the IP addresses. The two browser environment IPs are the same as their corresponding proxy port IPs. Next, use rotating residential proxy. Select the country, state, and city. Then click Refresh. Select the format of copied IP information. Right-click an IP and copy IP information. Then create a new session on MBBrowser. Paste the IP information. Test proxy. Open it. You can see this IP is in your chosen location. OK. The video is over. Thanks for watching and subscribing.